It's a beautiful place, very professional. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Walid Shaker, and I know lots of you know me, and for the people who doesn't know me, I'm a hair artist. I live in the United States. I had an issue with my hair the last 3-4 years. I was losing a lot of hair, and as my job as a hair artist, I take care of everybody else's hair, but my hair is not looking good, and it was kind of a little bit getting on my nerves. So I finally decided to come to Istanbul and do my hair. I came on the 5th of April, and before I came here I was kind of checking like which is the best clinic to do my hair, and I found out about Vera Clinic and I picked it, and I wasn't wrong, guys. It's a beautiful place, very professional. Everything they mentioned about the treatments, the procedure, everything was on time, perfect, very professional. I really like this place so much. I'm very happy with the procedure. Was like, I will tell you something, wasn't so much pain, but there is some pain there. Maybe I know some people here and there they don't mention about it, so I will tell you there is some pain here and there, but worth it. Don't be afraid about it. Look where I am. You will look pretty after a few days. And I did 6,600 graft, which is a great number, and I'm very happy with the experience with them. So if you're looking for a place to go to Istanbul, I definitely recommend Vera Clinic.